We've seen some pretty insane yachts on the King Luxury Channel, some with swimming pools and helipads, some that are basically floating hotels. Your favorite tech giants, Russian tycoons, and entertainment moguls are vacationing on yachts that cost more than what most of us will make in a lifetime. They're living in the absolute lap of luxury, with the onboard staff far outnumbering their guests. The vessels include amenities and facilities that will seriously make you question where a yacht ends and a ship begins. Welcome back to our channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Roman Abramovich, Eclipse, the Russian billionaire businessman and politician, bought the Eclipse for $500 million. When it was first made in 2010, it was the longest private yacht at 162.5 meters, until the launch of the Azam in 2013. Even if it doesn't have the title of the longest yacht in the world, it still bears some weight given the incredibly luxurious facilities on board. The super yacht was built by Blom & Voss of Hamburg, and the interiors have been done by Terence Disdale, an award-winning designer of some of the world's biggest yachts. It features 2 helicopter pads, 24 guest rooms, several jacuzzis, a hair salon, a fireplace, and a disco hall. The swimming pool on board is 16 meters, with an adjustable depth feature that allows it to be converted into a dance floor. The yacht would need a staff of 70 people to really take care of the guests on board and operate the vessel. It also comes equipped with 3 launch boats and a mini submarine that can go up to 50 meters below the surface. The Eclipse also has a missile detection system for security purposes, plus bulletproof glass and armor plates along the length of the master suite and the bridge. And if you want extra privacy when partying with your friends and don't want to get caught by paparazzi, the yacht has a laser defense against anyone using cameras to photograph the boat. All in all, it's the perfect getaway for explorers and loungers alike. Bill Gates, hydrogen yacht. Trust Bill Gates to holiday in an environmentally friendly way. Several media outlets reported that the Microsoft co-founder pledged over $600 million to build a hydrogen-powered super yacht concept from the minds of Sino Yacht Architecture and Design, and with good reason. The 376-foot-long yacht, Aqua, gained a lot of attention when it was first unveiled in the Monaco Yacht Show, but executing a design like that needed backing from a person with vision, passion, and of course, $1 billion. The design took inspiration from the lifestyle of the forward-looking owner and the fluid versatility of water. Aqua manages to pack a powerhouse of features in this environmentally friendly yacht, with its source of power being electricity generated by liquefied hydrogen. Large batteries ensure that no demands of this super yacht are unmet, and because it's all electric, you'll have a very quiet ride on the water. But the innovation doesn't stop here. The yacht's distinctive exterior look is meant to mimic how the ocean gently rises and falls, and the hull is sculpted and curved with glass windows. It has 5 decks, but still manages to provide guests the closest proximity to water possible. The aft deck has a series of platforms, all leading down to the water. The top deck is the owner's suite. The suite is complete with a large bathroom, dressing room, walk-in closet, and an intimate private spa. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide an incredible view of the ocean and give ample sunlight. The aqua room at the bow of the yacht overlooks the rest of the ship and offers a top-of-the-world view and feeling. The guest cabins are inspired by the minimalist Japanese beach style. They include a hydro massage room, a yoga space, and a workout floor. But the defining feature, we believe, is the gorgeous spiral staircase, winding down from the top deck to the lower deck, which contains the hydrogen tanks. It's easy to see why Bill Gates would be excited about this. Andrei Melnichenko, Yacht A. With a length of 143 meters and a height of 100 meters, Yacht A is currently the largest in the world. You can't expect anything less from Andrei Melnichenko. The Russian billionaire, industrialist, and philanthropist is worth $15.8 billion US. Sailing Yacht A launched in 2015, and it's a self-assisted motor yacht designed by Dorkler and Vogus. Clocking in at $400 million, it has 8 decks and the world's tallest freestanding masts made of carbon fiber, which assists 2-pitch propellers. It also features an underwater observation pod in the keep with a 12-inch thick glass. It was initially meant to be a cargo ship or for commercial use, but now it's the largest private sail-assisted super yacht in the world. The smooth silver metallic surfaces and almost invisible windows give it a futuristic look. The yacht also has a helipad, a submarine, and countless other luxuries you'd expect from a super yacht. It has room for a crew of 54 people, and the sails and anchors are raised and dropped with just the push of a button. There have been no images of the interiors released, but we imagine the Russian billionaire spared no expense on the very best yacht designers have to offer. Jeff Bezos Flying Fox. With a net worth of $193.4 billion and being on the fast track to $1 trillion, it's no surprise that Jeff Bezos would have the best of the best in cars, jets, homes, and yachts. The most noteworthy of his collections is the Flying Fox, 16th longest super yacht and 14th largest in interior volume. It's not only the world's largest charter vessel, it's gorgeous too. It measures 466 feet in length and 74 meters in width, built by the German yacht maker Lürssen. The vessel's curvy and extraordinary exterior is the work of Espen Oino, a naval architect. It includes a generous 39-foot swimming pool, an extra-wide swim platform for motorsports, a beach club, an on-deck jacuzzi and sun deck, and a barbecue area. The yacht also features 2 helipads, a second swimming pool of 12 meters in the aft of the main deck, and large sea terraces. The interiors are the work of Mark Berryman, and guests enjoy a 400 square meter full-service spa, complete with a hammam, sauna, gym, and cryo sauna. It spans 2 floors, and the lower deck is connected to the sea lounge with a jacuzzi. The master suite on the top deck has its own jacuzzi, terraces, and ensuite bathroom. The main interior area is a spacious 2-floor salon, complete with a wood-burning fireplace, a dining area, a bar, and a cinema. This yacht can be enjoyed by 22 guests across 11 staterooms and be pampered by a crew of 54 people. But suppose a cinema, bar, hot tub, spa, and gorgeous view isn't exciting enough for you. In that case, the yacht comes with a small fleet of 9 tenders, a professional dive center, and a range of water toys including jet skis, sea bobs, kayaks, paddleboards, and Vespa GTS Super 300s, just in case you want to go exploring uncharted island. And despite its size, the boat still goes at top speed of 20 knots and cruises at 15 knots. This incredible vessel costs $400 million, a mere drop in the bucket for a mega billionaire. And that's it for the incredible yachts of the wealthiest billionaires. If I could find a vessel with the same amenities as the Flying Fox, but the environmental friendliness of Bill Gates' hydrogen-powered yacht, that would be the dream. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.